I thanked TopSchool because it is really designed to help school to grow to greater heights and reach the top. This is Dr. Unnati Datar, Principal of Srinivas Public CBSE School. The vision of the school is to nurture the best in children and make them responsible and committed citizens of the world. Because this is an era where everybody is in a competitive spirit, and with this era of new technology, we as Srinivas Public School want to gear up for the vision next, the 21st century. It is with great happiness that I share with you that we did a collaboration with TopSchool to become the top school. Today's students are learners who are of diverse faculties. Some are digital learners, some are audio visual learners. So to address this, we have taken TopSchool as one of our aids in teaching. Now with this, what we achieve is the various levels of learning of each of the students is catered to. The attendance is marked through the TopSchool panel. There is assigning of the homework. The parents are happy too because they receive a feedback of the teachers. The papers too are being made through the TopSchool platform. This makes us tech savvy and save on our efforts and time. A teacher resource is a priceless resource. Of course, technology can never replace teacher, but if technology can come to aid to help our teachers to ease their work and make them happy. So happy teachers make happy classrooms is what we earnestly believe. It's a proud association with NAVNEET TOPTECH. This is a company that is growing by the day. The scale by which they have accelerated learning and aided teaching is par excellence. They've incorporated the 360 degrees holistic progress card in their TopSchool LMS. I should really thank TopSchool LMS made by NAVNEET TOPTECH because this is where they have transcended their way in which they have helped the teaching faculty at large and the education sector.